Hey, so if something happened to you, what would happen to your dog?
I mean, I'd hope you would take care of him.
Really?
Let's go inside! What are you doing?
Playing with marbles?
You could have killed me, silly.
What are you doing?
Oh, something's stuck. Can you grab me something to help get it out?
Yeah. Hey, I got you these.
Oh, that's so thoughtful. Are these daisies? I'm allergic to daisies.
What? I had no idea.
You have to take me to the hospital.
Sorry. No can do.
Wait, what are you doing?
I'll take good care of him.
What?